2014, candidate number 19, Valerie Wayman.
It was over even before her name was officially announced as the winner. Cementing her frontrunner status, nakuha ng professional model at Itbulaga co-host na si Valerie Crasio Wayman ang Miss World Philippines 2014 title. Valerie also took home the lion's share of special awards that night. Si Val ang successor ng Miss World Philippines 2013 at reigning Miss World na si Megan Young. The half Filipina, half German impressed the panel of judges, not only in the swimsuit and evening gown rounds, but in the question and answer portion as well.
I believe in the importance of empathy and compassion because I see if all of us can come together and work as one, we can all be advocates of change. And I want to inspire and encourage everyone to take up a personal advocacy, such as my own, by enabling our indigenous brothers and sisters from Tarlac. Because I believe that it's truly in giving that makes us beautiful. Thank you very much.
An aspiring actress and former reality show contestant, higit na nakilala si Valerie nang maging regular co-host siya sa Itbulaga.
Ayan na, pumapagsak na sandali lang po ba? Tatlong minuto na lang daw. Kapang Oscars!
Click na click ang mga kalokohan at gimmick niya with the Ibida Barkads, partikular na sa segment na One for All for One. Proud na proud ang mga kasamahan ni Val sa Bulaga, lalo na si Paulo Ballesteros na laging kapartner sa skits ng 24 anyos na dalaga. On Instagram, Paulo posted a photo of them together at nilagyan niya ng caption which reads, and we quote, "Congrats sa aking asawa, pahiram ng gown mo." Unquote. Sa darating na December 14, Val will attempt to duplicate Megan Young's victory in the Miss World pageant to be held in London, England. Is she ready to take home the crown? Ngayong hapon sa Star Talk, a proud member of Ibida Barkads, ang bagong Miss World Philippines, Valerie Wayman, live!
Alam mo, Heart, na?
Yes!
Masikip na sa ganda tong posisyon natin dahil napakaganda mo.
Wow,
pero
thank
pwede
you.
ko bang dagdagan, lunurin ang hapon natin sa startup ng kagandahan.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
ladies and gentlemen, narito po siya. Miss World Philippines 2014, Valerie Wayman. Okay, ngayon po bibigyan ko ng royal treatment. Pwede ba kita yung ginagawa namin sa Bulaga?
Ayan na.
Hindi na pwede. Hoy, congratulations sa amin dito.
Congrats, beautiful.
Thank you, Tito Joey.
Okay, pamangkin kita.
Yes.
Tito ka ng tito eh. Ayusin mo yung buhay mo. Okay.
Siyempre naman,
di
di ba?
Ano pala to?
May respeto naman.
Okay, respeto. Sorry ha. Oo nga pala. Seryoso yan. Okay, eto na Valerie, tanungan na tayo. After ilang months, na pinaghandaan at nagsakripisyo ka, talagang hindi namin narinig to si Val na kung anong ginagawa, nagtago talaga, nag-practice lahat, paglakad, lahat na.
Workout, everything.
Yo, nakuha niya yung title na Miss World 2014. Ano ngayon ang feeling mo na nasa iyo yung crown ng Miss World Philippines?
Ay naku, para sa akin naman, napaka-thankful ako at saka napaka-blessed. Kasi hindi ko talaga na-expect na ang daming awards, special awards. At saka, syempre, yung corona, hindi ko talaga na-expect na ganito pala ang feeling. Sobrang akong masaya, at saka sobrang blessed. Kasi nakita ko rin na yung suporta ng mga Dabarkads, of course, at saka yung mga, syempre, yung mga followers ko. So, at saka yung family ko.
Yes.
I feel blessed. Yun talaga.
Valerie,
napaka-thankful.
ang tagal-tagal mo nang nagmo-model and you've done such a good job. You've been on the covers of different magazines. Tapos, nag-Itbulaga ka pa. Anong pumasok? Sino nag-persuade sa'yo na mag-beauty queen? Matagal mo na bang gustong gawin yon? Was it a dream ever since?
Actually, one of the biggest pushers for this, yung akin mga friends ko sa foundation ko, ang Musika Ramay. Kasi I always been into charity work. So sila din ang nagsabi, alam mo Val, gamitin mo yung status mo at saka gamitin mo yung training mo na a lot of people wants to train you as for a beauty queen. So, might as well, gagamitin mo. I mean, sayang kasi yung opportunity. So, yeah, I was saying, why not, diba? So, one of my biggest inspiration talaga, ang mga indigenous brothers and sisters from the
niya.
Philippines, yes.
Okay.
And they were really the ones who were driving me for this. So, at saka syempre, my fellow countrymen, syempre, lahat ng mga Filipinos, this is for you. And I want them also to be part
Batiin mo
of
lahat
this
ang bawat
journey.
Pilipino, isa-isa. Hihintayin
Ay,
ka namin.
medyo matagal yun. Mga ilan weeks na
Valerie,
siguro
you
yun.
know,
Alam mo, kung gusto nyong makita at makasama lagi si Valerie, pagsakay nyo ng aeroplano, lagi nando sa magazine
Oo,
ko.
nandiyan nga.
Okay. Alam mo, nung pinanonood kita, sabi ko, panalo na ito. Isang
Yes,
tingin
for
na.
sure.
Oh, okay.
And
Eto,
aside from that,
Thank you.
kaya ka rin nanalo because you really have a good heart. And matagal ko nang alam yun. Kaya number
Thank
one
you so
fan mo din ako. I'm
much.
so
Thank you
proud
so
of you.
much.
Yes.
ito, tanungin natin sa kanya,
Really
heart.
flattered.
Nabanggit mo yung heart. Gusto mo lang atang banggitin yung heart.
Uy, da!
Hindi, ito is, katunog ng heart. Ano ang hardest part? O yung most difficult part ng competition? Para sa'yo, ngayong tapos na, sa palagay mo, ano yung pinakamahirap na parte ng buong competition?
I think yung pinakamahirap na part na the challenge to be a better self. Kasi syempre you have to also challenge yourself to be the best that you can be. So I guess, yeah, I had to push myself really sometimes since minsan ang aga yung mga call time, di ba? Syempre beauty pageant. So ako naman, I love to sleep for a long time. So ako naman, sabi ko, I have to be always on time. So I was really pushing myself. Siguro yun lang,
Heart?
challenge within
Yes.
myself.
Akin tong tanong na to, hindi bagay sa'yo.
Okay.
Diyan ka lang muna. Mamaya ka
Okay.
na. Medyo star talk question naman tayo.
Yes.
Tapos na yung Q&A ng beauty contest.
Okay.
Nang mawala ka sa Itbulaga, nililino ko po mga kaibigan, Heart, ha? Nang mawala siya sa Itbulaga, na-chismis na, alam mo na, pag nawawala artista, ano madalas chismis? Nabubuntis. Nabuntis ka raw. Ano reaksyon mo rito? At ang masama nito, si Paolo daw. Hindi, wala yung joke yun. Ano reaction mo? May nagkalat. Uy, nawala sa Bulaga. Siguro buntis yan.
I mean, syempre, my friends at saka yung family ko, iba alam naman nila na hindi naman totoo yun. At saka, ako naman, let them talk. I mean, I know what I'm doing. It was for training dahil nawala ako sa Itbulaga. At saka alam naman din ng Itbulaga family. Sinabi ko rin. At saka pumayag din. Syempre si Miss Jenny, si Ate Helen, lahat sila tuwang-tuwa.
May boyfriend ka ba ngayon para alam ng mga fans mo?
Wala.
Special?
Manliligaw?
Wala.
Well, for sure, ngayon madami ka nang manliligaw after this.
As of now, wala pa naman.
Okay.
Yes, wala pa naman.
So, ready ka na bang makuha yung second Miss World title for the Philippines?
Ready na. I mean, ako naman, I will put myself into this. I want to be the best I can be and I want to show the world that we are deserving it. Siyempre, ang mga Filipinos all over the world, ang mga OFWs, lahat, I want to give it back to them.
Wow.
And I want everyone to be part of this great journey.
Alam mo, Heart, may kumbaga sa may sinusundan, ha? Foreign sounding apelido ni Megan. Young. Ito, Wyman.
Yes.
Yes.
Parang pwede, ha?
Pwede.
Sa lahat ng mga fans mo at pati mga Dabber Gods na nag-iintay na anytime sana bumalik ka, ano bang message mo sa kanila? Kasi I'm sure lahat sila ay kinikilig na nanalo ka ngayon.
Ako naman, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga Dabber Gods, lahat ng mga taga-suporta kasi nagulat din ako nung pumunta ako sa SMO Arena nung nakalabas na ako sa stage. Talagang hindi ko na-expect, napakamaraming 19. Lahat sila nag-cheer na. So ako naman, that moment was a once-in-a-lifetime moment and I want to also cherish it with my future kids, my grandkids, everyone.
Wow.
And napakasalamat.
Kids
Salamat talaga sa lahat na mga taga-suporta. I love you at saka I want you to be part of this wonderful journey and excited na ako papunta ng London kasi andun yung venue ng Miss World sa December 14 po. So please support, especially sa multimedia, kailangan ko ng mga likes kasi fast-track event din siya.
Yes.
So if we can win already in this, alam ko naman
We're proud of you,
napakasipag ang mga
Val.
Pinoy.
Yes, congratulations again,
Congratulations.
Valerie.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss World Philippines 2014,
Thank
Valerie
you.
Buhay man.
Before tayo mag-introduce na ating
Oo.
bagong chismis, magpo-promote
Ito.
lang po ako ng aking cover.
Kanina ko pa tinitingnan
Metro
yan eh.
Society,
Ano ba yan?
of course, with Miss Tutsi Angara and Shalani Soledad Romulo. It's out right now and many more to come. And yes, ito na, Tito Joey, si
Metro
Katrina
Society.
Halili.
Oh, ano nangyari?
Ito na.
Wag mo sabing
Yes,
Katrina.
binasag na ang pananahimik tungkol sa paghihiwalay nila ni Chris Lawrence. Abangan yan sa pagbabalik ng
Pambira!
story
Ano
ko.
ba yan?
Yes. We'll be right back.